Okay guys, this is my first time cooking tuna. I seasoned this stuff up yesterday, left it overnight. I put some West Indian seasoning in there, some adobo seasoning, garlic, onion, all the different stuff, I'm trying to see if I could make a curry tuna. And the first thing I'm gonna do is fry it and then kind of stew it afterward. They have been well seasoned, they sat overnight. Start that frying process, and I have the oil over here warming up. This is my first time cooking tuna. I usually cook snapper. I think they're almost ready to go. So let me get ready to put it in the sizzler. Put it in the sizzler, and hopefully I don't burn myself. Yeah. So there's one going in. Get this other one going. Get that. No diddy. Yeah. Alright guys, so I will continue later on when it's finished fried and when I start this process. So the fish are frying right now. I've been frying on a high fire. They're almost gonna be done soon. I'm just putting them on the side. Probably not really all that necessary because we're still gonna go stew it after. But yeah, gonna put you down, and bring you back up. So I like my stuff well fried before I do anything else, and I'm gonna do the stew shortly, and this will be the fried part of it. And I'm gonna use the base with my stuff to stew it all down. So we're gonna be putting these in. So 1, 2. So I'm gonna make like a real sauce for this. So this is the starting phase, right? I'm gonna be putting coconut milk in there. So this stuff is a bit frozen, but it's gonna thaw out. Right? I'm gonna put some of the ingredients in there, and when you guys return, this stuff should be bubbling up. Alright, so see you guys soon, where I am near the end of the journey. Just put some curry powder in here. I put some water in here. So I'm waiting for this stuff to congeal a little bit. Right, then I'm gonna put I'll put some more of my ingredients right now. Everything have a time and a place, but this is the time and this is the place. Putting a little adobo in there. Okay, that's the start. I'm putting a little black pepper in there. Give it a little kick. Alright. A little more onion. Some cayenne pepper. Okay. A little salt. Alright. So that's just for starters. Let me get my tools here.